Dance around the topic, mastering English phrases. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the English phrase, dance around. This phrase can be a little tricky, but don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll be using it like a native speaker. Dance around is an idiomatic expression in English. At face value, it seems to involve physical movement, like dancing in a circle. However, when used as an idiom, it takes on a metaphorical meaning. We use dance around to describe a situation where someone is avoiding a direct answer or not addressing the main issue. Let's see how dance around works in different sentences. During the interview, she danced around the question about her previous job. I wish he wouldn't dance around the issue and just tell me what's wrong. In both examples, the individuals are not being direct or forthcoming with their responses. A common mistake learners make is using dance around too literally in a sentence. Remember, it's not about actual dancing. For example, you wouldn't say, he danced around the room when asked about his plans. Instead, focus on its figurative use relating to speech and conversation. Now, let's practice together. I'll give you a scenario, and you try to make a sentence using dance around. Scenario: someone asks you about a surprise party for a friend, but you don't want to spoil the surprise. Your sentence could be, I had to dance around the topic of the party because it's supposed to be a surprise. Great job today! You've learned a new phrase to enrich your English vocabulary. Remember, dance around is all about avoiding the main point, not about the physical act of dancing. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll dance around English idioms with ease. Until our next lesson, keep learning and stay curious.